Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Wednesday, 14th January 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets traded with a cautious to slightly negative bias today, pulling back from recent record highs as earnings season kicked off with mixed results from major banks and corporates. Investors remain watchful of inflation trends and Fed rate cut expectations, keeping overall sentiment subdued. Asian markets open mostly higher today, with modest gains in Tokyo and Hong Kong, as regional equities continued to build on previous strength while the yen remained weak. Japanese equities extended their positive momentum, and broader sentiment in Asia is supported by resilient tech demand and cautious optimism despite mixed U.S. cues. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,757, thereby indicating a flat to negative open for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are climbing as concerns persist over potential supply disruptions, particularly linked to unrest in Iran, adding a geopolitical risk premium to the market, though increased Venezuelan supply is keeping some downward pressure on certain crude benchmarks. Gold and silver remain very strong, continuing their surge as investors flock to safe haven assets amid ongoing geopolitical and U.S. policy uncertainty, with both metals hitting record or near record levels recently. Tata Elxsi reported a 45.3% year-over-year drop in Q3 FY26 net profit to 108.9 crore rupees, impacted by an exceptional loss of 95.7 crore rupees, while revenue rose marginally 1.5% year-on-year to 953.5 crore rupees. Elxsi India signed a non-binding MOU with the Gujarat government to invest 25,000 crore rupees in large-scale renewable energy projects across solar, wind, hybrid and battery storage segments. Indian Overseas Bank has approved a 5 basis point cut in its overnight MCLR, effective January 15, 2026, following an ALCO review. Today, tracking mixed cues from global markets, Nifty is expected to open flat to negative. In case of continued selling pressure, supports at 25,600, followed by 25,475, may be tested, however, in case of continuation of the up move which started yesterday. 25,900 will be the resistance that the index needs to overcome. Continued foreign investor outflows, lingering global macro headwinds, high valuations and pressure from crude oil prices and geopolitical uncertainty could keep sentiment weak and limit upside near term, with key support levels tested if selling persists. Domestic factors such as upcoming earnings reactions, strong DII buying, positive corporate news flow, and any progress in trade negotiations or technical breaks above key resistance zones could help stabilize markets or spur recovery. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of about 1,500 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 1,182 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on January 14, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.